matter which specific industry you're working with, manufacturers face the same common challenges. You must reliably get products to market faster, more efficiently, and with the highest possible quality. The difference between those who simply survive versus those who thrive comes down to the details. At onsemi, we're using intelligent and energy-efficient technologies to drive the next industrial revolution by transforming and accelerating the growth of fully autonomous manufacturing environments. Our vast range of solutions includes high-speed intelligent sensing for robotics, scanning, and inspection, utilizing the widest, most robust power portfolio across all voltages and technologies to help OEMs optimize their production output, reduce risk, and lower operational expense. We offer an impressive selection of products to meet your biggest challenges, including machine vision, developed from decades of imaging expertise and proprietary pixel design to deliver unmatched image capture. Industrial drives designed to deliver outstanding reliability and power efficiency for either AC or BLDC motors. And autonomous mobile robots created to operate safely with minimal human interaction within the harshest environments. At onsemi, we're pushing the limits of innovation with powerful smart technologies capable of addressing all of your manufacturing needs. Let us help you build a better, more efficient future.